afternoon everyone. Today we will be covering the fourth scenario of Apex trigger, in which we will be doing the operation on lead table, lead object, in which if the lead industry is healthcare, then we have to update three fields. First is its SI code. SI code we need to set it to 700. Second is we have to set the primary checkbox to true, and third is we need to set the preference equal to purchase list. So these are the three fields that we will be as soon as the lead status is updated to healthcare, we will be considering this. So let's start our fourth scenario with the same scenario. So we will be moving on developer console. In developer console, we have already written an Apex trigger. So first question is, do we need to use before update or after update? After updates are used where the record ID of a lead is needed on any other object, but as such we don't need a lead ID. So at the same time we can use the before update trigger, because other than ID we are getting all the fields of the lead. So we will be utilizing the previous trigger only, so that there are no duplicate triggers on the lead. So till the day, from day 1 to day 30, we will be covering the 30 scenarios. We will write one trigger per object on the Salesforce objects. So let's start here. In the last trigger, we have said that if trigger is update or trigger is before, then we are updating the status to lead. Lead status is equal to close converted. But if I talk about now scenario now, whenever lead is updated and industry is healthcare, set the lead source to purchase list, SI code to 700 and primary equal to yes. So now what I will be doing here, so I will be checking if industry. So I'm not sure if the API name of industry is industry. So what we will be doing, we will be going on we will be going on to the object manager. As soon as you will be going to the object manager, you click on objects, and here you will be searching for a lead. So you first need to fetch the API name of a industry. So it will be industry, but it is a best practice you pick it by yourself. So I will be searching for industry. So when I search for the industry, all the fields came. The industry is industry only, and if I pick healthcare, so healthcare is similarly, so I will be copying the healthcare option as well. So let's, if industry double equal to, here I will be using the inverted commas and clicking healthcare. If equal to healthcare, then I will be putting on the braces. If industry equal to healthcare, so this will not be industry. I have made the mistake because I am not making an it from the trigger.news. So what I need to do, I will be using ltr.industry. If equal to healthcare, then I need to update three fields. First is so unable to patch contact member. So let's first save it. Is it raising an issue? So let's cut this out and save it and open. I will be opening this trigger again if this is creating an issue. So let's cross this out, and I will be opening a new developer console where there will be no issue. So here, so file, close all, file, open, trigger and trigger on lead. So I open this trigger, and as soon as I paste it here and save it, so will it create an issue again? I don't think it will create an issue again. So let's first make a changes in this. So there are no problems, so it has been saved. So first is what we need to pick. We need to first update the SIC code. So I will be searching the SIC code. So I got a field name SIC code equal to 700. That is ltr.sic code equal to 700. Next I will be searching for primary field. So primary. So primary is also custom field. I will be copying it. So ltr primary. So there are spaces, so let's remove the spaces. Is equal to yes, yes, okay. And third is, if I go on my notes, so it is lead source, so I will be picking the field as lead source. So again I will be clicking on this field because I need to pick the purchase list, so I will be copying it. So the API name is lead source only without space. So here I will be putting the semicolon and ltr dot lead source equals, so I will be putting the value that is purchase list, saving it. So this, since this is before, so if this condition matches, then only I need to follow these rules. So I think there are some problem, so a semicolon. Now everything is good, everything look cool. So let's test this. So I will not be creating a new record, instead I will be working on the old record that I have made. So I will be going on to lead object. So let's search for lead. So whenever so let's go on Jeff Clems. So if I go on the detail, so the industry is blank currently, and the SIC code is 2768, primary is yes, and also lead source is phone inquiry. So I need to change this to purchase list. So simply I will be clicking on healthcare. I will be selecting healthcare from here. Where is healthcare in this? So yes, so as soon as I save this record, primary yes, healthcare, so the trigger didn't work. So let's check what is the issue now in this trigger. So we will be okay. So there is some problem that I haven't fixed. So it is string, we need to change it to string. So let's make it a string. Now again I will be clicking save, and I will be checking it if the same is getting saved or not. So yes, now no problem. So again I will be first doing it to some other industries, for example consulting. No changes will happen here. So from consulting to, I will be making it as healthcare again, and I will be again saving it. So as soon as I save it, the SI code has been changed to 700, the primary is yes, and lead source equal to purchase list. So this is a fourth scenario that we have covered here. Now we will be writing a test class for it. So we will not be writing a separate test class for it. What we will be doing, we will be opening the test class we have already written, and we will be writing another method in the same class. So I will be opening my class name is test on lead test. So what I will be doing, I will be doing here one thing. So even you can create a separate method as well in order to do the test, or you can update the record here only. So I will be updating L1 dot industry is equal to health care. So that's it. So in one line, so here next I will be clicking update L1. As soon as I save it, I check the code coverage is not coming. So first I make the changes. So it is L1 and I am using Li. So let's remove 1 and let's save it. So as soon as you make the changes here, the changes have been made. Now I simply click the run test. So as soon as you click the run test, and now you check the code coverage, now the code coverage is coming 100%. So we didn't do much in the test class because we have already written the test class. So here the condition is only one, when the industry is healthcare. So I hope you like my content. So please like, share, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment if any questions are there in on your end. Thank you. Thanks everyone.